In 1937, Japanese soldiers turned mass murder into a game. During the Nanking Massacre, they killed over 300,000 Chinese civilians in just 6 weeks. But the real horror wasn't just the numbers. Officers held contests to see who could kill 100 people fastest with swords. Newspapers back home reported the scores like sports games. Soldiers used civilians for bayonet practice. They burned entire families alive in their homes, threw babies into the air to catch them on spears. They gang raped women before killing them, forced fathers to commit unspeakable acts against their own daughters, buried people alive in mass graves. Photos showed Japanese soldiers laughing while posing with severed heads and piles of corpses. They weren't just killing, they were enjoying it. The Japanese government denied the massacre happened for decades. They still minimize it in textbooks today. 300,000 innocent people became entertainment for monsters in uniform, and the world has largely forgotten their names.